Have you ever looked at another pregnant woman and thought, how is she always glowing and smiling, while I just want to curl up and cry under a blanket? Or maybe you suddenly find yourself obsessively organizing everything, while your best friend lies on the couch like a sleepy cat? Pregnancy doesn't just change your body, it awakens a whole new version of you. Today, you're about to discover what type of pregnant mom you really are. There are 5 common personality types during pregnancy, and number 5 is so relatable it might make you laugh or cry. Stick with me till the end, because when you finally recognize yourself, you'll realize you're not alone. Let's start. Do you keep an Excel sheet tracking every meal, every vitamin, every gram you gain? Have you downloaded every pregnancy app, read 3 books, and asked your OB at least 50 questions during each appointment? If yes, congratulations. You might be what we call the control mom. You're the project manager of your pregnancy. You're a planner, a protector, a perfectionist. You think ahead, pack your hospital bag at week 28, and probably already have a short list of baby names categorized by syllable count. Your strength? Your baby is getting top-tier care, and you've minimized every avoidable risk. But here's the truth. Pregnancy doesn't like being micromanaged, and not everything can be scheduled. So take a deep breath. Sometimes the best thing you can do is let go, just a little. Now tell me, do you find yourself daydreaming for hours about what your baby will look like? Do you replay the heartbeat from the ultrasound on your phone and tear up every time? You could be the dreamy mom. You're deeply emotional, beautifully intuitive, and spiritually connected to the little life inside you. You feel everything, the joy, the fear, the love, on a deep soul level. You might get overwhelmed easily. You might cry over tiny things, but that's okay. You're already showing your baby what unconditional love feels like. If this is you, try keeping a pregnancy journal, even just a few lines a day. One day, your child will read it and know they were deeply wanted from the very beginning. Now here's another type. You're still working full-time. You keep pushing, even when you're nauseous every morning. You power through appointments, aches, and swollen feet without complaining. You are the warrior mom. Strong, determined, and fiercely capable. You see pregnancy as a mission, and you are going to complete it, no matter what. The world admires women like you. But let me tell you something you might forget. Even warriors need to rest. Even warriors deserve to be held. Let someone else take care of you today. You're not just growing a baby, you're transforming yourself, and that deserves just as much care. Okay, let's take a breath. Do you feel pretty calm most days? You go to your checkups, eat your greens, maybe do some gentle yoga? Do you talk to your baby before bed and try not to stress too much? You might be the Zen mom. You bring peace into your pregnancy. You're the type who plays music for the baby bump and believes everything is unfolding as it should. Other moms might come to you when they're anxious. They can feel your calm. You don't over-Google. You don't panic about every twitch. And honestly, that's refreshing. But just a gentle reminder. You don't have to go through this journey alone. Your serenity is powerful, and sharing it might be the greatest gift you give another mom. Now, are you ready for the last one? Because this mom is real, messy, chaotic, and totally relatable. One day you're glowing. The next day you're crying because your sandwich had the wrong pickles. You miss appointments. You forget to take your vitamins. You accidentally buy newborn diapers in size XL. Welcome to the world of the hot mess mom. And if that's you, listen closely. You are not broken. You are not failing. You are human. Pregnancy shakes everything up. Your hormones are on a roller coaster. Your brain is rewiring itself to become a mother. And yes, sometimes that means lying in bed eating crackers and watching videos of baby animals. There is nothing wrong with being a little messy. In fact, it means you're changing. It means you're real. And your baby, they don't need a perfect mom. They need a present one. They need you. So, who are you? Do you see yourself in one of these types? Or maybe you're a beautiful mix of a few, like most of us are. Pregnancy doesn't give out personality quizzes, but it does reveal parts of us we never knew existed. Whether you're a planner, a dreamer, a fighter, a peacemaker, or just trying to survive one day at a time, you are doing something miraculous, and you're doing it your way. Before we go, I want to tell you this. Every woman carries her pregnancy differently. There is no right personality, no perfect style, only this one truth. You are the right mom for your baby, just as you are. Thank you for being here. If you saw yourself in this video, even just a little, leave a heart emoji in the comments so we know we're not alone. And if you have a friend who's also pregnant, send this video her way. She might just laugh, cry, or feel completely seen. And if you want to keep exploring this wild, beautiful, emotional journey of motherhood, hit subscribe, because we have so many stories left to tell. See you in the next video.